In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify Canvas in 90 seconds. If you're a music lover or a musician, you've probably come across the visually engaging little loops known as Spotify Canvas. Well, lucky for you today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to add them quickly and efficiently. Don't worry if you're not familiar with the process yet, as I'll break it all down for you. Easy peasy. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Spotify application. Make sure it's updated to the latest version, as that often makes things run more smoothly. Once inside Spotify, you'll want to select the song that you want to add a canvas to. If you're a musician looking to add this to your own track, head over to your artist page. Otherwise, you can select any song from your playlist or listen before choosing to see the full effect. Now that you've chosen your song, locate the three dots. You'll find this icon typically next to the song title or below it, depending on whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. It's your key to accessing more options for your chosen track. Once you click those three dots, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here's what you do next. Hover over the option labeled Share. This is going to open up another small menu with different sharing options. You might feel like you're diving into the world of link sharing at this point, but we're still on track, so no need to worry. Your next move is to click Copy Song Link. It's as simple as that. This copies the song's unique URL to your clipboard, allowing you to take it to another platform or service where you can work your embedding magic. Now, let's move on to Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, make sure you create one because it's an excellent tool for all things design related. In Canva, you'll want to search for and open a design where you can add your embedded content. Here's the nitty gritty. Click on the Embed option. This is typically easy to spot in your workspace and will prompt you for the next step. With the song link copied, you'll now paste it into the designated URL space within Canva. It's just a quick paste, nothing complicated. Once you're set with this, hit the option to add the embed to your design. Finally, click on Add to Design. By doing this, you'll integrate the Spotify Canvas into your design seamlessly. And there you have it, you have successfully added a Spotify Canvas to your design using Canva. Congratulations on mastering this process in no time. By following these steps, you're now able to enrich your visual content with fantastic Spotify canvases, whether for your personal collection or to jazz up your marketing assets. Thanks for watching and happy designing.